Your ultimate guide unveiled. Mastering System Center Configuration Manager. Unlocking the power of SCCM. A deep dive into configuration management. SCCM Essentials. Optimizing IT infrastructure with System Center Configuration Manager. Efficient IT management. Navigating the world of System Center Configuration Manager. SCCM Unleashed. Revolutionizing endpoint management in your enterprise environment. From basics to advanced. A comprehensive overview of System Center Configuration Manager. Streamlining operations. The role of SCCM in enterprise IT infrastructure. SCCM Mastery. Tips, tricks, and best practices for successful configuration management. Demystifying SCCM. A practical guide to System Center Configuration Manager. Empowering IT. Harnessing the full potential of System Center Configuration Manager.